Have you ever felt the frustration of slow internet? Let's dive into what might be causing those slow speeds. To check your speed, open a speed test app or website. Click on the Go button and see what happens. Understanding these numbers is key. Download speed measures how fast you can pull data, while upload speed is how fast you can send data. Let's try some quick fixes. Restart your modem, check your connections, or disconnect any unused devices. To optimize your Wi-Fi, make sure your router is in a central location and away from walls or obstructions. Ethernet connections typically provide more stable speeds than Wi-Fi, especially for gaming or video streaming. If your internet is persistently slow or drops frequently, it may be time to contact your ISP. They can help diagnose issues. Consider upgrading hardware like your router or modem for improved long-term performance. Make it a habit to test your internet speed regularly. It helps you stay aware of any changes in your performance. By following these tips, you'll stay connected and enjoy a better internet experience. Happy surfing!